Have you ever felt like you worked all week, with all your effort, and still came out with almost nothing? Days when you're busy all the time, but if someone asks you what you actually got done, you can barely answer. You're not alone, and it's not really your fault. A lot of us grew up hearing this story. Success comes from strong willpower and strict discipline. But the truth, just relying on willpower alone isn't gonna cut it. First secret, willpower's limited. Think of it like a weak battery in the morning. Every little choice, every temptation you resist, every task you force yourself to do, drains that battery. By noon, most people are running on empty and can't focus or resist distractions. Relying only on discipline is like telling someone who can't swim, just swim better. Second secret, systems make the difference. The right approach. Build systems that let you move automatically, without having to lean on willpower all the time. A system is basically a process that runs automatically so you don't have to think every single time. Example, brushing your teeth every night. You don't decide whether or not to do it, you just do it. Now imagine if every important part of your life worked the same way. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Goals tell you where you want to go. Systems tell you how you get there, step by step, day by day, even when you're wiped out. Third secret, your brain needs some backup. Your brain is awesome for thinking and being creative, but it sucks at storing everything. Every task, idea, or commitment in your head uses mental bandwidth. Solution: build a second brain outside your head. One place for tasks, ideas, notes, commitments. Golden rule: if it's not captured, it doesn't exist. Your brain thinks, the system remembers. Almost like magic happens, your low-level anxiety chills out, and you can think clearly. Fourth secret, habit stacking. To build new habits, you stack them onto existing ones. The formula's simple. After I do my current habit, I'll do my new habit. After I drink my morning coffee, I'll write in my notebook. After I sit down at my desk, I'll pick my top 3 tasks. After I brush my teeth, I'll set out my clothes for tomorrow. You're not relying on motivation or memory. You're using habits you already do automatically as triggers for new habits. Then there's friction engineering. Make good habits easy, bad habits harder. Even a tiny habit that takes 2 minutes can kickstart your success, because just showing up is the hardest part. Fifth secret, design your default day. Ask yourself, what does a normal, good day look like for me? Not perfect, just solid and productive. Plan your morning routine. Plan your deep work blocks. Plan your top tasks. Plan your end-of-day review. When you make these decisions ahead of time, your day flows naturally, like brushing your teeth. Sixth secret, energy is everything. Sleep, moving your body, and eating right aren't optional. They're the core fuel. No system works if your energy is low. Seventh secret, weekly review. 1 hour a week keeps your systems on track. Review what you got done. Review what needs adjusting. Review what's coming next. Without review, even the best systems fail. Eighth secret, plan for bad days. You're gonna have bad days. Guaranteed. The real system works even on your worst days. Use the minimum viable day. 1 task done. 10 minutes moving. Just showing up. Rule of thumb, slip, but don't skip. Even if yesterday was a mess, you can get back on track today. Ninth secret, your environment matters. Your environment is never neutral. It's either helping you or messing you up. Put useful stuff where you can see it. Remove distractions. Make good actions easy. Smart environment design lets you succeed without leaning on willpower all the time. 10th secret, the compound effect. At first, building systems feels like extra work. After a month, some habits start running automatically. After a year, your systems run naturally, and success becomes part of who you are. Successful people don't have stronger willpower than you. Their systems do the heavy lifting. How to start today? First, pick one system to capture everything. Second, define your minimum viable day. Third, schedule one weekly review. Don't wait for motivation or a new app. Start with the basics. Start today.